This is the Iowa Weather Report for Monday, February 11th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at noon today. We have a storm system moving across the Great Lakes. We have another hanging back over the desert southwest and Four Corners region. And at the surface, we have a low pressure center located near Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. And some snow hanging back with the other one over the Four Corners region. Could see some wraparound moisture around here today, but the winds will be the main story. Northwest winds 20 to 30, gusting to 40. The clouds and the storm clear out Tuesday. Sunshine abounds, highs in the 30s to near 40, mainly due to little or no snow cover. Some rain to our south, a little bit of snow over the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle. That moves across the Ohio and Tennessee Valley here on Wednesday. We'll have some seasonal weather, highs in the 30s mainly, but that clipper system to the northwest of us over the Dakotas and into Montana, that'll be sweeping across the Great Lakes and around here on Thursday. A few clouds, maybe a little bit of snow flurry activity, but it's going to bring the winds back to the northwest. Temperatures will drop into the 20s, and then on Friday we'll have highs near 20, maybe the teens in some areas, and northwest winds about 6 to 12 miles per hour, so wind chills will be in the single digits to the lower teens with a few clouds around. Saturday, it doesn't get much better. The thickness lines are getting even lower. A lot of the cold air will be just to the east across the Great Lakes, where there will be some lake effect snow there. Highs around 20. That continues into Sunday, but we start to see a moderating trend. We'll see near 20 for highs in the north and east to the lower 30s in the south and western counties, with plenty of sunshine around here Sunday. But next Monday, we have another storm coming at us. You can see the energy with it coming across New Mexico into Oklahoma and Texas and Kansas with a trough there, and that'll be swinging north and east with a low pressure center near Childress, Texas. Warm Gulf of Mexico moisture coming up over cold surface air, so we could see some snow, some wintry mix, maybe a little bit of rain if we can get the surface temperatures up at that time. A couple days after that, on the 22nd, we have one system moving across the mid-Atlantic region, and we have another hanging back over the central and southern California coast. Otherwise, a pretty quick west-east flow across the country, and at the surface, we have the storm over the middle part of over the mid-Atlantic region moving off the coast, bringing some snow there and rain to the south and east. High pressure over us at that time, keeping temperatures seasonal around here, if that's right. But at the end of the forecast, on February 26th, we have one big cutoff low over the south and west, one over the Canadian Maritimes, and a piece of energy coming up over Iowa at that point. And if this is right, this is going to be big, bad, and nasty. Rain, thunderstorms, snow, maybe a blizzard, and this could encompass about 3/4 of the country. So we'll have to keep that watch on future runs. Last night's satellite image had another big curly-Q storm over the middle part of the country, centered near the Iowa-Minnesota border. Some showers and thunderstorms across the south with a little bit of severe weather there last evening, and a few clouds over Colorado off to our west. The watch warning map from last evening, we had some flood watches and flood issues over the south, some winter weather issues from the Oklahoma and Texas panhandles westward, and the wintry weather continues over the northern plains with winter storm and blizzard warnings in that part of the country, across the northeast as well. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest amounts of precipitation across the south, a little bit across the Great Lakes with some snow, and some precipitation over the southern plains in the form mainly of some snow.